Hi friends, this is Brahmananda. Welcome to my Selenium question answer part 2. Today we'll discuss about Selenium components, that is Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium RC. Selenium IDE is developed by Sneha Katsani, who this is the photo of Sneha Katsani, and Selenium RC developed by Jason Huggins. So he is the Jason Huggins, looking pretty smart. And Selenium WebDriver developed by Simon Stewart. Now he is the employer of Facebook. Okay, the Selenium IDE is the record and playback tool, which is the add-on in Firefox. You can open and you can record anything. This is a record button and this is play button. This is the locator select button. Let's search something in Google. You can search. Okay, those are the command. This is the locator or target. This is the value. You can select and find out the element. This is the record and playback tool, which come as the add-on in Firefox. Next, Selenium RC. Selenium RC, it is the web framework before Selenium WebDriver, or we call it as Selenium 1 version. And if you see the script, I have couple of script here. Okay, this is Selenium RC script. Selenium.type, here you will give the locator and you type here value. Selenium name equal to this. This is Selenium RC script or remote control script. And now it officially deprecated. Here if you see the statement given by Selenium official community, Selenium WebDriver is the successor of Selenium Remote Control, which is officially deprecated. It is officially deprecated. Okay. Now all people are using Selenium WebDriver. Why? Because it's object-oriented implementation. If you look into this code, web element is query, driver is the object of Firefox class, find element in driver. What are the things you can do? Find element is one of the method. In that, by dot name queue, so it will give the web element. On that, what the operation you will do. So it is purely chain of object we can implement. So it is very, and another difference between RC and WebDriver is WebDriver, it is native to each and every browser. If you want to run a WebDriver script for Firefox, you have to write this statement, and for IE you need to do setting it, and Chrome also you need to do setting. In Selenium RC you have to run the server and it will inject the JavaScript to the browser to do its operation. It is not native, and that is why it is slow as comparison to WebDriver. This is technical advantages as well as user experience advantage in WebDriver. Technical advantage, it is native to browser, it is fast, and it is chain of objects, so that we can implement really object oriented techniques. Next, The next thing is that we can all for remote control in WebDriver we can run the server and we can hook the our instance to that remote server and it will communicate through JSON OR protocol. It is implemented those REST API so that we can configure in any language to send back the request to the server to perform the action. So that's the reason we can implement Selenium WebDriver in any language by using JSON OR protocol, which is not possible in Selenium RC. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like you can share and subscribe. So till then, bye bye.